Welcome to our All Old Rare Coins channel, where we uncover the fascinating stories and hidden treasures of rare coins. Today, we're diving into the remarkable history and value of the USA Liberty 1-cent coin from 1954, specifically the Denver Mint, also known as the 1954 D penny. This coin might just be sitting unnoticed in your collection or pocket change, but it has the potential to be worth a small fortune. The 1954 D Lincoln cent carries with it a piece of American history. During this period, the country was still riding the post-World War II economic wave, and pennies were a staple in everyday transactions. Produced at the Denver Mint, the D mint mark on this coin is a small but significant detail that collectors always look for. With over 251 million coins minted that year at Denver, you might think this penny is common, but don't be fooled. Rare varieties and mint errors have transformed this seemingly ordinary coin into a collector's dream. When it comes to design, the coin features the iconic Lincoln portrait on the obverse, created by Victor David Brenner in 1909. The reverse side displays the wheat ears, which were a symbol of abundance and prosperity in the United States. These wheat pennies, as they are often called, are beloved by collectors and remain one of the most popular coin types in the world. Now, what makes the 1954 D penny particularly special? One major factor is condition. Coins are graded on a scale from poor to mint state, and a 1954 D penny in high grades, especially in mint state red, can be incredibly valuable. A mint state coin retains its original luster and sharp details, looking almost as fresh as the day it was struck. Most pennies from this time show signs of heavy circulation, so finding one in pristine condition is rare and exciting. Another factor that skyrockets the value of this coin is the presence of mint errors. Errors such as double dies, off-center strikes, or repunched mint marks make these pennies even more desirable. Collectors are always hunting for these unique imperfections, as they represent quirks in the minting process and are often considered one-of-a-kind treasures. But perhaps the most jaw-dropping aspect of the 1954 D penny lies in its auction history. Some coins have fetched incredible prices, thanks to their rarity, condition, and the competitive world of coin collecting. While most 1954 D pennies are worth only a few cents in circulated condition, a stunning, near-perfect example can fetch life-changing amounts of money. And here's the moment you've been waiting for. The most valuable 1954 D Lincoln penny ever sold reached an astounding $201,900 at auction. That's right, this small copper coin, often overlooked and dismissed, became a treasure worth nearly $250,000. So, take a closer look at your collection, check your pocket change, and who knows, you might just be holding a hidden gem. Make sure to handle your coins with care and, if you think you have something special, consult a professional grader to confirm its value. Now, we're taking a deep dive into the USA Liberty 1-cent coin from 1944, minted in Denver. This coin, often underestimated in its significance, has a rich history and an astonishing potential for value. To understand the importance of the 1944 D penny, let's go back to the era in which it was created. The year 1944 was marked by the ongoing efforts of World War II. America was fully engaged in the war, and every industry was impacted, including the U.S. Mint. The copper used to produce coins was sourced from recycled wartime materials, such as spent shell casings. This gave the 1944 pennies a unique and historically significant connection to the war effort, making them more than just currency. They became symbols of resilience and resourcefulness during a challenging time. The 1944 D penny was minted at the Denver Mint, which is identified by the small D mint mark located just below the date. Over 430 million of these coins were struck, making it one of the more common pennies of its time. But don't let the large mintage fool you. Not all pennies are created equal, and certain 1944 D pennies can fetch staggering prices depending on a few key factors. First, let's talk about condition. Coins are graded on a scale from poor to mint state, and collectors are always on the hunt for coins in mint state condition. A mint state coin is one that has been preserved so well that it still has its original luster, sharp details, and almost no signs of wear. The 1944 D penny in mint state red, meaning it retains its original reddish copper shine, is especially rare and sought after by collectors. Then, there are the mint errors that make some coins one-of-a-kind treasures. These errors might include double dies, where parts of the design appear to be doubled, or repunched mint marks, where the D was stamped more than once. Off-center strikes and other production anomalies can also add significant value. These errors are fascinating to collectors because they reveal imperfections in the minting process and create coins that are truly unique. But what really sets the 1944 D penny apart is its auction history. While most examples of this coin in circulated condition are worth just a few cents, high-grade specimens and rare error coins have sold for eye-popping amounts. Collectors are willing to pay top dollar for coins that meet the highest standards of rarity, condition, and historical significance. And now for the moment you've been waiting for. The most valuable 1944 D penny ever sold reached an astounding $272,200 at auction. That's right, this small copper coin, tied to the history of wartime America, achieved a value that's nothing short of extraordinary. So, if you have a 1944 D penny in your collection, take a closer look. Check for the mint mark, inspect its condition, and look for any signs of errors. Even if it seems like an ordinary coin, you might be holding a piece of history worth a fortune. Next coin, we'll uncover the story behind the USA Liberty 1-cent coin from 1957, a seemingly ordinary penny that could be worth far more than you ever imagined. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll find out just how much this little coin could change your life. The 1957 penny, often referred to as a Lincoln wheat cent, is a classic piece of American coinage. Produced toward the end of the wheat cent era, it features the iconic bust of President Abraham Lincoln on the obverse, designed by Victor David Brenner. First introduced in 1909, this design has remained one of the most recognizable in U.S. history. On the reverse, you'll find the two wheat ears framing the words, 1 cent and United States of America. This design, which symbolizes prosperity, was replaced in 1959, making the 1957 penny part of a beloved and collectible chapter in American coinage. The 1957 penny was minted in two locations, Philadelphia, with no mint mark, and Denver, with a small D mint mark just below the date. Together, the two mints produced over 1.3 billion pennies in 1957, making this coin relatively common. But as we've learned in the world of coins, rarity isn't just about how many were made, it's about finding those few coins that stand out due to their condition, history, or unique minting errors. Condition is one of the biggest factors in determining the value of a 1957 penny. Coins that have been well preserved over the decades, showing no signs of wear, are considered mint state. The most desirable coins are those graded as mint state red, meaning they retain their original reddish copper color and luster. While most 1957 pennies in circulation show signs of heavy use, finding one in pristine condition is rare and can significantly increase its value. Then there's the allure of minting errors. Errors such as double dies, where parts of the design appear doubled, or repunched mint marks, where the D was struck more than once, are incredibly sought after by collectors. Off-center strikes, die cracks, and other imperfections also add to a coin's uniqueness and desirability. Each error tells a story about the minting process and transforms an ordinary penny into a one-of-a-kind treasure. Now, let's talk numbers. While the majority of 1957 pennies are worth only their face value or a little more in circulated condition, high-grade examples or coins with rare errors can fetch astonishing prices at auction. Over the years, these coins have continued to captivate collectors, with some willing to pay top dollar for the perfect piece. And here's the part you've been waiting for. The most valuable 1957 penny ever sold brought in an incredible $150,200 at auction. Imagine that, a simple penny, often overlooked in everyday transactions, achieving a price that could buy you a house, a car, or fund your dreams. So, if you have a 1957 penny tucked away in a drawer or coin jar, it's time to take a closer look. Check the date, inspect the mint mark, and examine the coin for signs of errors or exceptional condition. Even if it looks ordinary, you might just be holding a piece of history worth a small fortune. Now, we're diving into the history and value of the USA Liberty 1-cent coin from 1950. This coin may seem like just another penny at first glance, but it holds a story rich in history and has the potential to be worth an incredible amount of money. By the end of this video, you'll understand why this little piece of copper is so highly sought after by collectors and enthusiasts. Let's take a step back in time to the year 1950. The United States was emerging from the post-war era and entering a period of economic growth and innovation. In the world of coinage, the U.S. Mint was producing millions of coins to support a booming economy. The 1950 Lincoln wheat cent, as it is officially known, was part of this effort. This coin features the bust of Abraham Lincoln on the obverse, a design by Victor David Brenner that had been in use since 1909 to commemorate Lincoln's centennial birth anniversary. On the reverse, you'll find the classic wheat ears design, which had been a staple of the penny since its introduction. This design, symbolizing prosperity, was phased out in 1959, making the 1950 penny part of the last decade of wheat cents and a beloved collector's item. In 1950, these pennies were minted in 3 locations: Philadelphia, Denver, and San Francisco. Coins from Philadelphia carry no mint mark, while Denver pennies have a D mint mark, and San Francisco coins bear an S. Each of these mints produced millions of pennies, but not all of them were created equal. The condition of the coin plays a huge role in its value. Coins that have been well preserved over the years are referred to as uncirculated or mint state coins. These coins retain their original shine and sharp details, making them highly desirable to collectors. The most prized examples are mint state red pennies, which still have their bright reddish copper luster, but there's more to the 1950 penny than just its condition. Coins with minting errors are the real stars of the show. Errors like doubled dies, repunched mint marks, or off-center strikes can significantly increase a coin's value. These errors are rare and fascinating, as they represent unique imperfections in the coin-making process. Finding a 1950 penny with one of these errors is like discovering a hidden treasure. While many 1950 pennies in circulated condition are worth only a few cents, high-grade examples or coins with rare errors have sold for astonishing prices. Collectors are willing to pay premium amounts for coins that stand out due to their rarity, history, or condition. Now, let's get to the moment you've been waiting for. The most valuable 1950 penny ever sold at auction reached an unbelievable $190,200. That's right, a single penny, preserved in exceptional condition and possibly with unique features, sold for nearly $200,000. So, what should you do if you have a 1950 penny in your collection or even in an old jar of coins? First, check the date and look for the mint mark. Then, inspect the coin's condition. Does it have its original shine? Are there any noticeable errors or unique features? If you think your penny could be something special, consider having it professionally graded and authenticated. Specially, we're exploring the USA Liberty 1-cent coin from 1949, a coin that might seem ordinary at first glance but has an incredible history and could be worth far more than you'd ever expect. Stay with us, because by the end of this video, you'll learn just how valuable this coin can be. The 1949 Liberty 1-cent coin, also known as the Lincoln wheat cent, is part of a series that holds a special place in American coinage. The obverse of the coin features the iconic portrait of Abraham Lincoln, designed by Victor David Brenner. This design was introduced in 1909 to commemorate Lincoln's 100th birthday and has become one of the most recognizable in U.S. history. On the reverse, the coin displays 2 wheat ears framing the denomination, a design that symbolizes growth and prosperity. The year 1949 was a pivotal time in post-war America, marked by recovery and progress. The U.S. Mint continued to produce millions of coins to support a growing economy, and the 1949 penny was minted in 3 locations: Philadelphia, Denver, and San Francisco. Coins from Philadelphia bear no mint mark, while those from Denver and San Francisco are marked with a small d or s below the date. While millions of these pennies were produced, their value today depends on several key factors. Point 1 of the most important factors is condition. Coins that have been preserved in exceptional condition, known as mint state, are highly sought after by collectors. Mint state coins retain their original luster, sharp details, and vibrant reddish copper tone, known as mint state red. These coins stand out from circulated pennies, which typically show wear and tear from years of use, but condition isn't the only factor that can make a 1949 penny valuable. Minting errors are another big reason some of these coins command high prices. Errors can occur during the minting process and include things like doubled dies, repunched mint marks, or off-center strikes. These imperfections make each error coin unique and significantly increase its value to collectors. Another intriguing aspect of the 1949 penny is its historical context. By the late 1940s, wheat pennies were nearing the end of their run, as the design was replaced in 1959 by the Lincoln Memorial reverse. This makes the 1949 penny part of the final decade of wheat cents, adding to its collectible appeal. While most 1949 pennies found in circulation are worth only their face value, high-grade examples or coins with rare mint errors have been known to fetch remarkable prices at auction. Collectors from around the world are always on the lookout for coins that are rare, unique, or exceptionally preserved. Now, here's the moment you've been waiting for. The most valuable 1949 Liberty 1-cent coin ever sold at auction reached an astonishing $200,200. That's right, this small copper coin, tied to a rich history and preserved in impeccable condition, became a treasure worth over $200,000. So, how can you tell if you have a valuable 1949 penny in your collection? Start by carefully examining the coin's date and mint mark. Next, look at its condition. Does it retain its original shine? Are there any noticeable errors or unique features? If you think you've found something special, consider having the coin professionally graded and authenticated. Thank you for joining us on this exciting journey into the world of rare coins. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss another story about coins that could change your life. Until next time, happy hunting and happy collecting.